Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The blossoming blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies ecosystem overall has loads of organizations, entertainers, and new items drifting in its fringe market. There are a ton of crypto trade organizations and items in the market spraying, developing, and afterward suffocating in their own item lifecycle. Further, to have a wide point of view toward one such organization, let us test more into the distance of altcoin Heavenly Lumens. Here you get insights concerning XML and Stellar Lumens price prediction and technical analysis. Outline of Stellar Network. Heavenly is an open-source blockchain network for computerized monetary standards installment organization and exchanging. To investigate its beginning, at first the organization framework Stellar was shaped in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, pioneer behind Mt. Gox and prime supporter of Ripple, an organization alongside previous legal counselor Joyce Kim under the name of a site called Secret Bitcoin Project for looking for alpha analyzers, and afterward Jed McCaleb authoritatively sent off it in 2015. In Stellar's biological system, the financial backers can make, send, pay, and exchange computerized portrayals of all types of cash like rupees, euro, pounds, dollars, pesos, and so forth. And alongside digital money Bitcoin too. The primary reason for the development of this Stellar network is that every one of the world's monetary frameworks can join as one to deal with a brought-together performance organization. Heavenly is a decentralized framework that is reasonable for exchanging in outrightly and successfully any sort of digital currency trades. Further, as different monetary standards, Stellar likewise has its own or local computerized cash, which is known as the Lumen. It explicitly advances or favors no cash as such, rather it explicitly makes practically all the greater part conventional types of cash in this scattered monetary framework more valuable and open to everybody consistently. That is, for all types of cash a comparable advanced symbolic cash can be made. For instance, portrayal of a US dollar money on Stellar cost is as a dollar token, a computerized token. Hence this is how things have been, that at whatever point somebody stores a customary dollar with Stellar, then, at that point, it will give them one of the new advanced dollar tokens. The Stellar Development Foundation, the United States-based non-benefit association, is the help-level arrangement of Stellar Web Circle. It continually coordinates, guides, and supports the turn of events and development of the essential Stellar innovation on its framework. This foundation helps the upkeep of Stellar's codebase and upholds the working and business networks around the organization alongside imparting to the administrative specialists and establishments. There are no investors of this foundation, subsequently this framework can be simply dedicated to the achievements of Stellar Matrix as an unbiased, even-handed, and public organization. This suggests that the outright force of the Stellar framework grows with the passage of each new organization and engineer in its framework or organization. Heavenly is a framework with no brought-together command or power, yet even without that the records on the framework are checked and refreshed, at regular intervals consequently, which suggests that no one can interfere, stop or block the framework, and furthermore can't cryptically change the numbers on their own will, even it is a public organization still. Outline of XLM Price Prediction. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, is the local cryptographic money of Stellar, a blockchain stage that permits the trading of computerized to government-issued money. It is an altcoin cryptographic money exchanging under the image XLM on exchanging trades. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, was first presented in the year 2014, and from that point forward it has been in the rundown of top 20 digital currencies according to the most recent examination report of September 2020. Heavenly Lumens, XLM, is the coin that is utilized on the Stellar Network's blockchain stage. As of now, the XLM cost is around $0.2082. Similarly, any remaining altcoins, even Stellar Lumens, XLM, one side enjoy their own benefits, for example, fast, quick, speedy, cost-compelling, easy cash trade, effectively open, decentralized stage, fully transparent framework, seamless exchange conceivable, and so on. On the opposite side, it has its own hindrances too. For example, mining is unimaginable as it doesn't utilize the proof-of-work framework, not broadly acknowledged as an installment technique. A historical data of stellar price prediction. The cost of XLM digital money. According to reports of October 2020, XLM was $0.0796 or 0.0800 approximately, as to test into XLM coins history and future costs. Specialized examination information, gauges as well as stellar cost forecasts information, soon not long after its underlying coin offering, ICO, on September 15, 2014. The XLM cost was $0.003, after which, it performed seriously and was at its most minimal in at $0.001. Once more, in mid-2018, XLM's worth arrived at an untouched high. However, a short spike of 94 cents approximately after the untouched brief spike in mid-2018. Stellar Lumen's cost by and by fell into a negative circumstance, and again before the year's over, it had fallen more than by over 90%, for example to 9 cents, and remained practically in a similar reach for the entire year, at max with the high 16 cents in the year 2019. Excepting which the year 2019 was unfathomably terrible for Stellar Lumen's cost in lieu of execution, market cap, and furthermore acquired awful execution notoriety on the lookout. After such an uncommon cost fall, the greater part of the Stellar Lumen's cost experts felt that this crypto is dead. When contrasted with 2018 and 2019 stellar cost expectation, the presentation of Stellar Lumen's cost marginally worked on in mid-2020. Yet again during this worldwide pandemic it fell again to its low of 3 cents, yet it was still altogether more important than in the several years of its presence. Afterward, XLM stamped sharp spike and crossed opposition level of 20 cents mark. Somewhat recently, the money enrolled persistent development in the middle between transitory redresses. As of late, the XLM coin recorded another high at $0.9381, yet later, it checked sharp decay and remedied beneath $0.2914 mark. Consequently, the pattern in MACD recommends that despite the fact that the coin has consistently seen highs and lows since November 2021, the pattern line is confronting a drawback. Further, scarcely any other monetary figure organization and monetary administrations conjecture that after just about 5 years of battle, the exchanging volume, development, and heavenly coin cost share / XLM's value target will see an untouched high toward the finish of 2022. Heavenly price prediction for the next 5 years. Heavenly Lumen's cost expectation 2022. According to the point of view of the business specialists and experts of this field of digital currency costs as well as the monetary environment, foresee that financial backers can